everyone, welcome to Sandra's Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a swipe tonight, and I have a vision in mind of a bit of a forest painting. That's what I want to do, trees and forest. So I'm going to do a swipe and then try and put some trees in, and we'll see how it turns out. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. It means the world. Keep the comments coming. I love reading them. Give me a thumbs up. Share the videos with your friends. Alrighty. I have got 16 by 20 canvas ready to go here with some white acrylic. Just going to give it a quick little torch. Get some of the bubbles out. And it did just get filled, so it does have a little bit of a flame up on me until I burn off some of this butane in there. Speaking of the torch, all of the stuff that I'm using, pretty much I buy off Amazon. I will have description links down below for the description area. If you want to pick out some paint, like the Arteza sets that I have, the torch, bottles, stir sticks, everything like that I get off Amazon. If you choose to click on the link and buy something, I will get a tiny commission on a gift card from Amazon to replenish some of my stock. So if you feel like shopping, hit one of those links. Alrighty, I'm going to first start with some color of greens. Now I got a couple of bottles that are almost empty. I just want to use up some of the paint. So I'm just going to put it at random. This is evergreen, which is a really pretty green. I'm going to put a little bit down here as well. And how about some Arteza's pale green? That's a pretty green too. Nice light one. All right. And then we're also going to do with the phthalo green. Most of the paints I'll be using right now are Arteza's, but there's a mixture of Artist Loft and Saks with a little bit of Montmartre as well. Variety of paints. This is another Arteza. And I know it's looking like a big mess right now, but it truly will look like something by the time I'm done. Even if I have to get the blow dryer out and blow it. Because I do tend to have bloopers every now and then. But tonight I don't plan on any bloopers. I know you're probably thinking, well, that's a lot of green. But I'm going to swipe it through with this white so it does tone it down a little bit. Okay. I'm going to do a little bit of a dark green. This is sap green with black mixed in. Makes it a really dark green. I'm just going to do it in a couple of areas up here. Okay, I think the last one I'm going to add is some emerald green. Okay. And I'm also going to add a little bit of red, which this is the scarlet red. I'm going to add a little bit of orange. And how about we do a little bit of yellow too? Why not? Okay, if nothing else, we'll have a green rainbow. Okay, I'm going to take my piece of plastic and swipe some color through. I'm just going to start right here and go for it. I'm going to go over it once more. Then I'm going to go over, actually I'm going to go over the top there. I missed a spot. There we go. Go over this one. And back again. Now I'm going to take those colors and go right down the middle. There we go. One more swipe down here. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay. I'm going to put that plastic aside. Throw my paint away because whatever I had on that napkin, I probably would have put my hand in it. Okay, so now I want to do a little bit. First, I'm going to start with some black. Hopefully this works. I'm going to do black puddle here, black puddle here, black puddle here, here, maybe right there. Then I'm going to take my Arteza Burnt Sienna, I should say. I'm going to put that there. And my gut says add a little bit of silver. So I think I'm going to, actually I'll do some copper first. Do a little bit of copper. Now this is actually copper and some rose gold mixed together just to lighten it up a tiny bit. And yeah, I'm going to do a little bit of silver. Where's my silver? Just a touch. So if this works, this will be some really cool puddle pour trees. If it doesn't work, I'll figure something else out to do. So I'm going to tip my canvas and just let those go straight down. And it could be a slow process, but that's okay. Depending on how watery my paint is. Now my paints are all 50% acrylic and 50% this pearlescent mixing medium. I add a tiny bit of water just to lighten the mixture a little bit. How we doing? I know this is slow going, but it looks like I'm getting some straight lines, which is cool. I probably shouldn't tilt it, but I feel the urge to a little bit there for that corner. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Okay, we're doing pretty good. So now that I've done that, I want, let me see, I'm going to take my paint knife and just move that silver along a little bit. There we go. Then I'm going to take some more of my greens. Let's see, let's do the dark one. I'm going to do a couple dots, dark. Okay. Now, I bet you I forgot to grab my balloon. I was thinking about doing a balloon. Okay, well, we don't have a balloon close by, so I am going to use, what do I got that's close by? How about my little plastic cup? Let's see if we can get anything going. Okay, I'm happy with that so far. It sounds like I'm really beating on my canvas here, but I'm really not. Okay, so now I want to add a little bit more of a green. I'm going to go with this one. I almost used up this color, which is cool. Okay, let's see if that's enough. Those look like pretty full trees. Okay. Okay, so I'm happy with the top. So now we got to take some of my sap green. Just going to do a couple of dots around my trees. I think I'm going to do a little bit here too because I missed a spot swiping, which is totally fine with me. We'll fix that. Okay, and with that, I think I'm going to do some of the Artezas, lighter green. And believe it or not, I am almost done. This shouldn't take long at all. Okay, now I'm going to take my comb How are we doing? Pretty good. Okay, I think we're doing pretty good here. Need a little bit of greenage down here. Did I miss any dots? I don't think I did. Alrighty, I think I am officially calling this guy done. Like how the trees turned out. Got my little branches lines happening. Okay, I'm just going to turn it around for you. Give you a quick view from a swipe to a puddle. We have ourselves a little forest landscape. There we go, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm very happy it turned out. It's exactly what I was envisioning. And it's going to dry beautifully. Some of those colors, the copper, some of them have the pearlescent mixing medium in there. So it'll definitely have some pop when it dries. I think I'll run some white along the far sides just to make sure I got my sides all done. And we'll be good to go. I'm pretty sure I'll have an end card with one of my favorite videos posted. I just never know what side. It's either going to be the left or the right. Could even be center. But please stick around, click on that link, and watch another video. Thanks very much, everyone, for joining me. Enjoy your night. Bye for now.